Hi there, Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing, reporting from the Precision Machining Technology Show in Cleveland, Ohio. We took some time to catch up with folks on the show floor and ask them about trends in finishing and cleaning. Here's a look at what we heard.
My name is Wesley Gensch, here with EchoClean. We've had a great show so far here at PMTS. A lot of project discussions have been around the vacuum technology. We've seen a lot of different industries, whether it's general industry, aerospace, medical, semiconductor. A lot of projects have been developed with more and more strict guidelines that are being pushed onto different suppliers. So a lot of our project leads have been discussions around the vacuum cleaning industry. We're here at EchoClean. We seem to be addressing those very well, exceeding our customers' expectations and pouring more and more research into our development and innovation for the future.
Hi, I'm Will Sweet with Mathisen Corporation. We make cleaning chemicals for the metal finishing end of things. Some things I've noticed here at PMTS, there's a lot of buzz around solvent replacement. So solvents is something we get into too. And the EPA has come out with a lot of different regulations. So the NPB and TCE are some of the big ones that are being kind of forced out by the EPA. And people are trying to find these drop-in replacements, some of which that we do have, like trans-dichloroethylene blends and HFOs and other things like that is something that we've been able to help people already come to a new conclusion.
Yeah, I'm Cole Mathisen. I'm with Mass Finishing. I'm the sales and marketing manager. So what we're seeing, or what people come to our booth for, they're looking for ways to eliminate hand deburring and polishing operations in their facilities, looking for ways to reduce any amount of labor that they're putting into their parts. So if they can take out any sort of operations out of their machines or their Swiss machines, they're looking to find ways to automate that process. We've noticed there's a lot of people trending towards lean manufacturing. So if they can get a machine or get a solution that they can fit into a kind of a cellular area, that's something that we've noticed a lot lately. And then tough parts and additive manufactured parts, 3D printed parts. People are looking for ways to finish those better and find a good solution for. So that's the main trends that we're seeing here at the PMTS show in 2023.
Hi, my name is Josh Kramlick. I'm with Blackstone-NEY Ultrasonics, a division of Cleaning Technologies Group. We're happy to be here at PMTS 2023. A lot of what we're seeing is we see a lot of customer interest in automated passivation and cleaning processes for medical devices and implants and aerospace components primarily. In parallel, we're seeing a lot of interest in ultrasonic cleaning for automotive parts, where we're seeing cleanliness specifications driven tighter and tighter, and higher frequency ultrasonics being employed to meet those specs. And finally, a lot of interest in our Agisonic platform for aerospace MRO and remanufacturing operations. So thanks very much. Follow us on LinkedIn and come see us.
For more finishing industry news, visit pfonline.com. Thanks a lot.